thought it'd be really nice for you to hear, in Stephanie's own words, her experience of dermal fillers, which we've done over a few sessions, and just what it's really meant to her. Tell me, what made you initially want to have something done?
So I've always hated my profile. I've seen pictures from side view and I've never liked it, and I never really understood why I didn't like my profile. And then working here, I started to learn that actually I didn't have a chin. So I started thinking that I needed to have chin filler and bring my proportions back in.
You also had a traumatic incident, didn't you, as a child? Just tell us about that, what happened?
So when I was little, I was probably only about 5 or 6. I went for a bike ride with my dad. And an evil lamppost suddenly appeared. I was going straight towards it. For some reason, my natural instinct as a little kid was to lift my chin up, and I smacked the lamppost and split my chin open. I had to have 5 or 6 stitches, but I never really realised the impact that would have had. My mum and dad both have chins, so it's not like it's something through the family where it's happened. It's from the incident, unfortunately. What
was your response when you first saw in the mirror your initial results?
I was really shocked, and I think you don't see the full impact as well until you see your before and after together, where it's been gradual. I've been seeing it slowly, not like a straight overnight difference. So it's been amazing to see the huge difference that it's really made.
Tell me, what's the reaction of your other half who sees you regularly without a mask?
He's only heard of bad dermal filler stories. So for him, and like seeing people on TV where they have a very overdone look, he was nervous. He knew it was something that I wanted done and that it affected me. So he was happy for me to have it, but he just sees dermal filler in a certain way, which I think the media portray. So he realised how natural it is. He was worried, obviously, with a chin and putting filler here. He was like, it's not gonna just be just a bit of filler lumped here. And I said, no, it's not just about putting filler there, it's about building up the area. So it was me educating him in filler being used in the right way. He could see it, and he could see it was natural and that it was still me.
What about your actual experience in terms of having the actual injections and having the treatment itself? How was that for you?
Obviously needles and having injections, you're aware that there's going to be some sort of pain with it. Having it in my chin, nose, lips, I didn't feel as much pain as I was expecting. There's a therapist and they're there to support and help through the treatment.
You actually looked so relaxed and calm to me, and that's something that people are often surprised by, and they kind of disappear into this nice peaceful state, even though actually we're subjecting them to a needle or cannula based treatment. Stephanie is a beautiful, beautiful person inside and out, and was to start with, but what this has done is given her some newfound confidence in herself, and therefore that's going to manifest in how she is as a person in life generally, and that's what this is all about. Thank you.